What is going on, y'all? My name is Travis Owen. In this one today, I'm going to be checking out an artist that I don't know much about. His name is Machine Gun Kelly. I know a couple things. I know he's dating Megan Fox. I know he hates Eminem. I'm a Detroit boy, so that's interesting for me. I love Eminem, but I'm going into this with an open mind. I don't hate you, Machine Gun Kelly. In fact, I like your style from what I've seen so far. I know he's a rapper. I know he did a song with Camila Cabello, and I know he just won a bunch of VMAs, I think, or at least one, or performed or did something cool. So I'm jumping in on Machine Gun Kelly because I want to know more about him. So I'm going to check out his music video for I Think I'm Okay. Again, don't know much about him, don't know other than those things that I just said. So before I jump into it, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on future reactions. Leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. Are there other Machine Gun Kelly songs or videos you think I should check out? And without further ado, let's check out I Think I'm Okay.
Watch me take a good thing and fuck it all up in one night. Catch me, I'm the one on the run away from the headlights. No sleep, up all week, wasting time with people I don't like. I think something's fucking wrong with me. Drown myself in alcohol, that shit never helps at all. I might say some stupid things tonight when you pick up this call. I've been hearing silence on the other side for way too long. I can taste it on my tongue, I can tell that something's wrong, but I guess this...
What? Wait, so he's not... This isn't a rap song. This is like a rock song. This is like a poppy punky. He does that too? Where have I been? I love this. I love this. I like the message of this so far. I love the style of this, and I love his voice. Like, I feel like I've been lied to. I'm like shocked right now. I was not expecting this at all.
It's just my life and I can take it if I wanna, but I cannot hide in hills of California because these hills have eyes and I got paranoia. I hurt myself sometimes. Is that too scary for you? Watch me take a good thing and fuck it all up in one night. Catch me, I'm the one on the run away from the headlights. No sleep, up all week wasting time with people I don't like. I think something's fucking wrong with me.
Roll me up and smoke me love, and we can fly into the night. Roll me up and smoke me love, and we can fly into the night. You take...
Who's this guy? This wasn't in the titles. I don't always read the descriptions, and now I think I saw Travis Barker playing drums. This is featuring other people. Why am I such a dummy? I love his voice too. This is like my type of music. Now I apologize if people aren't into the language. I apologize for that. I do have a bit of a potty mouth, actually. I keep it clean for the YouTubes, but I'll put a little disclaimer at the beginning for y'all that don't like the curse words. But this is like, I love this. I like love this. What?
To let go and figure it out, yo. Take drugs on gravestones to figure it all out, yo.
Watch me take a good thing and fuck it all up in one night.
What?
Catch me, I'm the one on the run away from the headlights. No sleep, I'm all week wasting time with people I don't like. I think something's fucking
Oh my God. That was on so many levels. On so many levels, I love that. I'm stunned by that. I did not realize that Machine Gun Kelly did that kind of music. I thought he was just a rapper, and I don't mean it by just a rapper, but I mean like the amount of talent that this guy has to be able to do both genres of music and do it that well. My mind is blown. The song I connect to on so many levels, I like, that's a whole nother video, but like, oh my God, like I cannot wait to listen to this again. I cannot wait to look more into this. Who else is in this? This is Machine Gun Kelly, Yungblud, and Travis Barker. I feel like I've heard of Yungblud before, but I don't know if I've heard any of his songs. But I really liked him as well, and obviously Travis Barker, come on man, I grew up on Blink-182, so that is my guy. And we share the same name, come on. So, I loved that. I loved that. I'm gonna quit babbling, quit talking about it, because y'all, if you're an MGK fan, you better let me know in the comments what I need to check out next, because I'm sure there is a lot, and I can't wait to go down the MGK rabbit hole. So if y'all are interested in it, let me know in the comments. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.